Okay, it's sort of a new evolution of pop-up. Different than the A-frame. These things collapse in and go down. So when you're traveling, it looks like an A-frame, but when you get to where you're going, it comes together completely different. Okay, this is the TrailManor. This is the 2922 KB. All right, so let's go inside and take a peek. Look at how spacious this is, Lisa. This is really crazy, right?
Wow.
Look at this. So you get a full dinette here, which does go and make a bed. Okay, up here a bed, cabinetry above. You can see there's also speakers up there. If you look just below the speakers, those are lights. So you got reading lamps at night.
Very nice.
Okay.
I can see them. I'm not sure they're very visible.
To the camera. There you go, guys.
There we go.
All right. Then over here, we have our kitchen is sort of left and right. So on this side, you got your sink, which is actually really large.
That is really
Right.
large. Wow.
And then refrigerator. Radio systems here. A lot of your components that operate stuff is right here. Storage underneath. Okay. But some nice countertop space. Right. Some cabinets up above. Okay. Again, price before I forget, you're looking at about $42,999. Okay. For this one here. The rest of the kitchen, by the way, is on this side. So you got a 3-burner stove.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, this is a flip up that has to move when it goes when you're putting things down. But it's a just I mean there's tons of storage in here, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Right?
It is.
Okay. As we keep on going to the back, there's more storage underneath there, which is huge.
Holy cow.
Right?
Yeah.
There's cabinet here as well.
I can't see that.
There's a hanging bar up in there.
Okay. I'm trying.
Yep. Sorry for the gimbal, everybody.
Yes.
Yep. And okay.
Drawers down
And a
below.
huge bed. That really, I'm actually going to measure this one, Lisa.
Yeah, that's larger than a residential king.
No, it's not.
You don't think?
No. No, because of the width.
Okay.
You're 78 this way
All right.
by 77. It's folded a little bit. 78. I think it's completely square.
Is
I think
it?
it's
Okay.
78 by 78.
Wow.
Which residential would be 80 by 76. It's close.
Yeah, it is. It's very close.
All right.
And I bet you your normal king size sheets would fit because you got an inch going one way and the other inch going the other direction.
All right. So here's the bathroom, guys. All right. And I'm not going to be able to climb in there at the moment because we're just in tight quarters. But honestly, I can tell you, I would fit in that shower. As far as the toilet goes, porcelain. This is a residential-like toilet. I fit in here just fine. No restrictions at all. A little sink here in the corner. Okay. And then you have your tub. Let me move this a little bit. Okay. The only thing that I don't like about the shower, and there might be something, you see this? There's a curtain that goes all the way around. If you're noticing, your hand can get through here. When that curtain is up, it contains all the water in here. But look at this,
yeah,
guys.
that has to fold so that you can close the lid, if you will. Wow.
My head is touching.
Look at that.
But I'm in it.
You're in it.
But I'm in it.
You're in it.
Is that amazing?
And that is an actual little tub there. So
Yep.
it's got kind of a built-in bench so
Yep.
if you want to soak your feet or whatever.
Is that amazing?
That is amazing.
Not your daddy's pop-up.
No, definitely not.
All right, so let's move on.
Alrighty.
Did you get a shot of this here? Dry weight on this is 3,000 pounds. Again,
Not the weight. I did not. So let's
once
do
it's
that.
opened, you're 29 feet. When you're towing it, you can see the picture there. Tow it with a small SUV. It's only 22 feet when you're towing it.
Wow.
29 feet when it's fully extended.
Yep.
That's amazing.
That is amazing.